Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Afzal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last video we have seen about the Android components we have seen. So in that we have finished with the activity concept and now we will see the next three concepts, that is service, broadcast receiver and content provider. So we'll see the second one, service, a long running background process without any user interaction is known as service. We have seen one example of media player and alarm, right? So we'll implement that in this video. Okay, if you are working with the service, you need to remember few points. You need to remember, first point is create a class with subtype of service. Okay, this service is an abstract class having some abstract method. You need to implement those abstract method in your Java code in your class. Okay, apart from the abstract method, it is having few major methods like on create, on start command and on destroy. Okay, these are the major method in service. So my requirement is when I click on the start button, I want to play audio file, I want to play. Okay, and if I click on the stop button, I want to stop that audio file. So let's see how we can implement that. So first thing is we need to create two button in our XML file. Width I'm providing match parent and height I'm providing wrap content. And the text I want to display is start. So this is our two buttons. Okay, start and stop. So here I am not using the ID. Okay, on click event we have seen with the ID only. Okay, we have seen that by using the ID we are performing the on click event, right? Now we will see the second way of on click event on the button. Okay, so there is a tag called on click. So here you need to mention the method name. Okay, I'm clicking, I'm typing start only. So this is start will invoke in the activity class and stop. So we have provide on click event to the button. Okay, so firstly we need to create the method for on click. Okay, public void, the method name is start, which is taking view as parameter. Okay, this is the start method. Whenever we click on the start button, it will call this method. Okay, so whenever we click on the button start button, it will call this start method. It will call this start method. And whenever we are clicking on stop, it will call the stop method. So these are the two method. Okay, so from here we are calling the service by using intents. From here we are calling the service by using intents. So first point is we need to create a class. Okay, we need to create a class. I am creating a class my service with subtype of service. Okay, Subtype of service. We have seen, right? Service is an abstract class. This service is an abstract class having an abstract method on bind. So we need to override that method in our class, service class, right? Apart from this, we are having three major method in service. First one is the onCreate. Okay, so I am overriding those method in this class. Okay, onStart is a method, and one more is onDestroy. We have created the service class and we have override the onBind method. Apart from this onBind method, service is having three major method: onCreate, onStart command, onDestroy. Okay, so we need media player object first. Media player object and player. Okay, in the onCreate method, we are initializing the media player object. So media player dot create is a method. First parameter, it is taking two parameters. Okay, first one is the contact. So we have created the media player object. Okay, so here we need to initialize that media player in the onCreate method. So we are initializing the object of media player in the onCreate method. First parameter, it is taking contact, so we are providing this here, and the second parameter is where our media file is available. Okay, so in the raw folder we have to place one media file. Okay, so I am having one media file here, audio file. So I am just copying it and pasting in the raw folder. Okay, so this is the song. Okay, I want to play in the background. So this is the song I want to play. So we are having the media player in the raw folder, right? R dot raw dot the name of the media file. If you want to play a media file in the onStart command method, you need to type media player dot start is a method. So by using this is a media player object dot start method, we are starting our media file. We are starting. Okay. If you want to stop that media file, then there is a method called onDestroy. Okay. So media player object dot stop is a method. Okay. By using this stop method, we are stopping the media file. Okay. So in the main activity, we are calling the service by using intent. Intent I equal to new intent. Intent dot set component is a method which is taking one parameter. New component name object is a parameter. So we are passing two parameter here, get application contact, comma the class name which we want to navigate. So I want to navigate this my service dot class. Okay. Finally, we are starting the service. We are starting. So there is a method called start service of intent object. So this code we have to write in the start method, and the same code I am copying it and pasting the stop method. Here we want to stop the service. Whenever user click on the stop button, it should be stop the service. Okay. If the user click on the start button, I want to start the service. If the user click on the stop button, I want to stop the service, I want to stop. So we'll test and see the result.